Once upon a time, in a quaint village nested between verdant hills, lived a young man named Arjun. He was known for his kindness and integrity. One day, Arjun met a stunningly beautiful girl named Asha. She had large, expansive eyes and a smile that could light up the darkest room. It wasn't long before Arjun fell deeply in love with her, and to his immense joy, Asha reciprocated his feelings. Their wedding was a grand affair, attended by the entire village. As they exchanged vows, Arjun promised to cherish and protect Asha forever. Their married life started off like a dream. Arjun adored Asha and often complimented her beauty. Asha, on her part, loved Arjun's gentle nature and kind heart. They were the epitome of a perfect couple, always together, always happy. A few months into their marriage, Asha began to notice small patches of discolored skin on her arms. Initially, she dismissed them as minor irritations, but as time passed, the patches spread and became more pronounced. She consulted a doctor and received devastating news. She had contracted a rare skin disease. The disease progressed rapidly, altering her appearance dramatically. Her once flawless skin became rough and scarred. Asha was heartbroken. She feared that her beauty, which Arjun admired so much, was fading away. She was terrified that Arjun might no longer find her attractive and that his love for her would wane. Arjun had to travel to the city for some work. As he was returning home, tragedy struck. His cart collided with another, causing a severe accident. When he regained consciousness, he found himself in a hospital. The doctor informed him that the accident had caused significant damage to his eyes, rendering him blind. Despite the shock, Arjun's primary concern was Asha. How would she manage? How would she cope with his blindness on top of her own struggles? Little did he know that his accident would, in a way, become a blessing in disguise for their relationship. Arjun returned home, and Asha, despite her own pain and insecurity, devoted herself to taking care of him. She learned to navigate her life without relying on her appearance. Her love for Arjun grew even deeper as she admired his strength and resilience. Arjun, on the other hand, adjusted to his new reality with remarkable grace. He continued to love Asha with the same intensity, never once mentioned her changed appearance. He praised her for her strength, her dedication, and her heart. To him, Asha was still the most beautiful woman in the world, for he saw her through the eyes of love. Years passed, and their love remained as strong as ever. They became the pillar of support for each other, facing life's challenges together. Asha eventually accepted her new appearance. Confronted by the fact that Arjun's love for her had never diminished, she felt grateful that he could not see her scars, thinking it spared him the pain of witnessing her transformation. But Arjun was fully aware of her condition. His blindness was not real. He had pretended to be blind after regaining his sight post-accident. Arjun did this because he knew how much Asha's changed appearance affected her. He feared that if she knew he could see, it would break her spirit. So he chose to continue the charade to keep her happy. One fateful day, Asha fell seriously ill. Despite Arjun's best efforts to nurse her back to health, she passed away peacefully, leaving Arjun devastated. Her loss was a blow he had never anticipated, and the pain of her absence was unbearable. The entire village mourned her death, for Asha was loved by all. After her funeral, Arjun decided to leave the village. He could not bear the memories of their life together in every corner of their home. As he prepared to depart, a concerned neighbor approached him. "Arjun, how will you manage without Asha? She was your eyes. How will you live without her support?" the neighbor asked. Arjun sighed deeply, his eyes welling up with tears. "I am not blind," he confessed, his voice trembling. "I never was. I pretended to be blind because I knew how much Asha's changed appearance troubled her. If she had known I could see her, it would have broken her heart even more. I wanted to spare her that pain and let her believe that I loved her unconditionally, which I truly did." The neighbor was stunned into silence. Arjun's words echoed the depth of his love. and the sacrifice he made to keep Asha happy. The truth left a profound impact on everyone who heard the story. Arjun left the village, carrying the memories of Asha with him. His story spread far and wide, becoming a testament to the power of unconditional love and the strength one can go to protect the feelings of a loved one. The villagers often encountered the tale of Arjun and Asha, using it as an example of true love and selflessness. They learned the real beauty lies in the heart, and true love means accepting and supporting each other through all the life challenges. Arjun's sacrifice and Asha's devotion became a beacon of hope and inspirations for many, teaching them that love is not about appearances but about the connection and understanding between two souls. In the end, Arjun found solace in knowing that he had given Asha the happiness and peace she deserved, even if it meant living with the pain of his own deception. He lived the rest of his life cherishing the love they had shared, always remembering that sometimes the greatest act of love is the one that requires the most sacrifice.
If you like the story, then subscribe, share, and press the bell icon of the channel for more interesting stories.